Hi, this is Mojmir from Portuni Mobilis. Welcome to Only Pools and Houses. Today we will show you one apartment in Rovinj. This modernly equipped and well-insulated apartment is placed on the top floors of an urban villa in Rovinj. Living room, kitchen, bathroom and terrace can be found on the second floor, while the upper floor is occupied by two bedrooms. The living room and terrace are oriented to the west. This flat is fitted with external PVC joinery, aluminum blinds, pellet central heating and 3 Fujitsu air conditioners. Furniture is included in the price. The flat comes with one covered parking space and one storage space. Thanks for watching. Click on the link below to get more information about this property. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.